The Microsoft Foundation class 100 Debug DLL causing a library mismatch means you need a stable fix. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and let's repair your environment variables. Before we begin the manual steps for Microsoft Foundation class 100 Debug, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Microsoft Foundation class 100 Debug, the debug variant of the Microsoft Foundation class MFC Runtime for Visual Studio 2010, containing diagnostic hooks for memory tracking and UI validation during development builds. Software compiled against debug runtimes may fail to launch if this dependency is absent, particularly in portable development tools. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. To ensure the file is correctly registered, reinstall Visual C++ 2010 MFC Debug Runtime. You'll need both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from Microsoft's website to complete this repair properly. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Microsoft Foundation class 100 Debug, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ Redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Most individual downloads of Microsoft Foundation class 100 Debug DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing Microsoft Foundation class 100 Debug and maintaining system stability. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Microsoft Foundation class 100 Debug remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.